Honey chili potato is a popular Indo-Chinese appetizer. This is a combination of sweet and spicy at the same time. I've taken 2 medium-sized potatoes which I've cut them like this, like how you cut for French fries. Then some corn flour, all-purpose flour, sesame seeds which is also known as til, 2 tablespoons of honey, half teaspoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of red chili sauce, some salt, 2 tablespoons of spring onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and some crushed ginger. Our first step would be to marinate the potatoes. We need to add all this, the red chili sauce, ginger garlic paste and the salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. After marinating, keep it aside. Now we'll prepare the sauce. I've taken 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. To that I'll add the soya sauce, the vinegar, the tomato ketchup, and some sesame seeds. Mix it well and keep it aside. To deep fry the potatoes, I have added oil. It is heated. Now I am adding the potatoes one by one. Once the potatoes are turned crispy and golden brown like this, then you add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. To this, I will be adding some pepper powder if you wish, salt to taste, sesame seeds and water, and make a paste of it. Make a smooth batter. Keep stirring. As you can see, our batter has become nice and smooth. Now I will be dipping the fries and deep frying them one by one again. Cook the potatoes until they have turned like this golden brown on high flame. To make the sauce, I will be adding the garlic, the green chilies, spring onions and the ginger. Cook it on high flame. Now as it is slightly cooked, add the sauces which were mixed. The soya sauce, chili sauce, tomato ketchup and the vinegar. Taken 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, added water to it which I will be adding to the sauce to thicken it. Now you can add the potatoes, which are nice and crispy. Then add the honey to it and mix it well.